Unit 3, Lesson 1, Multiply fractions by fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers. When you have a fraction and you multiply by a fraction, first you multiply the numerator times the numerator, and that will equal your numerator. Then you multiply your denominator times your denominator, which will equal your denominator. Let's see what that looks like. If we have 1/3 of 1/4, first we need to find 1/4 of our circle. So we split our circle into 4 pieces, and there's 1/4. Now we need to find 1/3 of the 1/4. So we split our fourths into thirds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In total, we have 12 slices, 3 in each of the 4. So we need to find 1/3 of that fourth. So 1/3 of the 4 of the fourth, is right here. And that is actually 1 out of 12 total slices or pieces. So we can also look at this as of means multiply. So we could have 1/3 of 1/4 is also 1/3 times 1/4. So we take our 1 times 1, which equals 1, and then 3 times 4 equals 12, which is exactly what we set up here. We have 1 out of 12 when we have 1/3 of the fourth. We can also cross simplify before we multiply. This is not cross multiply, this is cross simplify. So if we have 6/7 times 2/3, we could multiply our numerator times numerator, which is 12, and then our denominator times denominator, which is 21. But then we would need to simplify by dividing by 3, and we would get 4/7. However, if we cross simplify, we look at the numerator and the denominator that are across from one another, and we see that 6 and 3 both have 3 in common. So our 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then we look at the other cross, which is 7 and 2, and they don't have anything in common that can be simplified. So now we just multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 1 is 7, which gives us 4/7. So if we cross simplify before we multiply, it will automatically simplify our answer.